Hello YouTube and welcome to the Race Car Life. I decided I want to go ahead and do a product review on a product I just purchased on Amazon, and that is the Halfster Kitchen Coffee Grinder. Let's start with just a little unboxing here and see what you guys think. Alright, so I will start off by saying, quick note, this is not sponsored. So, we'll take the lid off the box, flip it to the side there. We have a little, very nice, very nice. Go ahead and set that aside. Let's get to the actual grinder. Boom, take a look at that. So, the grinder itself, stainless steel brushed. Looks like it's a partial turn lock for the base, the catch. Very good. That's going to be the adjustment knob there to adjust your coarseness of your grind. Take a look inside the top. Top there, we can see those ceramic burrs down in there. That's going to be what's mashing those coffee beans to a nice grind. Cool. That looks very good. What else do we have here? We have a little brush. A little brush to clean the ceramic burrs. We have the hand crank itself. This is folding on this one. Very nice. And I like this. This is a nice touch they added in there. It's a scoop and a bag clip. So you can scoop your beans and your grinds. And then it also adds as a bag clip. So I think that's pretty cool. Nice of them to add that. And then it looks like it also came with a extra jar. So if you want to take beans on the go and have them in a sealed container, or if you want to just store your grinds in a nice classy container there, that'll be your guy. So down to business here. I'm going to go ahead and take this knob off. Cool. Now, grinder handle folded in, nice and tucked away. You could throw this in your backpack and not even worry about it. So that is awesome. It's a great addition to be able to just slip that in without having to take the hand crank off. And I love that it has a locking nut on the top. A lot of hand grinders don't have that. It just kind of snaps on there while you're using it, and it fumbles around, comes off while you're trying to grind. So having a folding handle is a big plus for me. So the action feels nice. You can hear those burrs in there grinding. Cool. Well, let's see how she grinds. All right. So got some beans here. We'll take our grinder, pop that guy open, grab my fancy scoop. Beans, pour them in there. For 3 scoops, 2 scoops. Yeah, full 3 scoops doesn't seem to be over full, so that's good to know. Take it down. I'm actually going to come down here and I'm going to tighten up the coarseness because I like a nice fine grind. I'm not sure where this is grinding quite yet, so I'll lock this in and good for you. Alright. You can see this is a very nice fine grind. Very, very nice, even, consistent grind. Now all that's left to do is brew a cup. for watching this video and this review on the Halfster kitchen and coffee grinder. I'll put a link in the description below to Amazon where you can purchase this guy. I purchased it for $19.99 on sale on Amazon, and I'll put the link below so you can do so. I wanted something that I can just throw in my backpack and take with me on trips. If I'm going camping, I don't have to worry about being plugged into an outlet anywhere. And I kind of like the feeling of doing things like this by hand. So I would highly recommend this product. Like I said, link below in the description. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Feel free to check out our other videos if you want to see some more content. And if you have any interest in cars, take a look. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.